wanted to quickly show you this. So this is the one of the original Blackhawk hatchets, and this is the new version that we've just dialed in for proportions. It's kind of rough ground at this point, pre-heat treat, but look at the size difference. What I've done is we've made it a lot taller. Now, maybe you're thinking, well, that's not that much, but in an axe this size is a huge game changer. Very, very big on proportions. And I also made it a touch shorter, believe it or not. That's some of the stuff we learned from working with Buck and the wood bullet. If this gets too long, the axe is very tippy. And so I've really shortened that up a little. Well, I've shortened it up a little bit with the added increased height, and this eye is a lot bigger too. Hard to see possibly because this one has the handle in it, but nevertheless, that's going to make this axe feel a lot more live and controllable. I'm a little bit nervous about how it's going to look on a 16-inch handle. Again, I forgot my scale. But I feel like it's going to look a little bit clubbish, like that's a big head on a small handle, so I'm a little bit nervous about that, but at the same time, that could look really, really pretty cool. So I am looking forward to getting a handle on that. So we'll have to see how it all looks when we're done here. Yeah, so there you can see, well, maybe you can't see, but the eye is a lot bigger. So if you're thinking, hey Tim, when is this going to be available? These 12 that we just made are actually all spoken for. So I do have pre-order open on my website, so you can get yourself in line to get one of these. That's going to be either the end of October or potentially into November. We're kind of figuring out the first 2-3 weeks of October, we might not be actually making axes. So we're starting to get pretty close to Christmas, and that usually gets really busy. So if you're thinking about getting an axe or hatchet, jump on that now, get your name in the queue. I'll be showing you the progression of this through probably tomorrow, but I'm going to be doing something different tomorrow. And that's going to be it for me today. Super appreciate your view, your time, for subscribing, for commenting, for those of you who are purchasing our pieces, our axes, bottle openers, thank you so much. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep the forge lit, hey?